Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen people talking about the Nebula app everywhere. Some say it's a smart, creator-driven streaming platform with exclusive content, while others complain it's buggy, crashes constantly, and feels unfinished. So what's the truth? Is Nebula in 2026 a polished, reliable app, or a full-on buggy disaster? Today we're breaking it all down so you know exactly what you're signing up for. To get a clear picture, I tested Nebula across multiple devices: Android, iPhone, smart TVs, and tablets. I evaluated streaming quality, app stability, interface speed, and download performance. I also compared my results with user experiences reported across app stores and online tech communities. By combining hands-on testing with widespread user feedback, here's the most accurate breakdown of how Nebula performs in the real world. Nebula claims to offer a premium, ad-free streaming experience, exclusive videos from well-known creators, high-quality playback with offline viewing, a stable cross-platform app, transparent, fair subscription pricing. These claims sound great, but do they match reality? Step 1. App stability. This is Nebula's biggest problem. Across multiple devices, the app occasionally freezes, drops the stream, or fails to load recommended videos. On some phones, opening the app after a recent update caused immediate crashes. When casting to a TV or using external displays, the app becomes noticeably less stable, with stutters and buffering. Step 2. Streaming quality. When the app works, streaming quality is solid. The platform supports smooth HD playback, and videos look clean with no compression issues on a strong connection. But the inconsistency is a real issue. One moment it's perfect, the next it may buffer endlessly or take too long to resume. Step 3. Offline viewing. Nebula advertises easy downloads, but download buttons sometimes fail to respond or cancel midway. On certain devices, downloaded videos wouldn't play offline unless the app was fully restarted. Offline mode works, but it's far from flawless. Step 4. User interface. The interface is simple and minimal, but it feels unfinished. Search results sometimes take too long to load, and playlists don't always sync correctly between devices. Browsing the catalog is straightforward, yet scrolling can feel slightly sluggish on older phones. Step 5. Content quality and quantity. Nebula's strongest point is its content. The platform hosts educational, documentary-style videos, extended creator cuts, and content not found on mainstream YouTube. However, the library is smaller than standard streaming services. It's niche, not massive. If you follow the creators on Nebula, it feels worth it. If not, the catalog may seem limited. Step 6. Subscription concerns. Some users have reported confusion with billing cycles or unexpected renewals. The pricing itself is reasonable, but cancelling can feel unclear because the app redirects you through multiple menus depending on the platform. It's not a scam, but the process could definitely be smoother. Step 7. Customer support. Customer support is slow. Emails often receive delayed replies, and canned responses are common. If you run into a technical problem or billing question, expect longer than usual wait times. So, is the Nebula app a real streaming platform or a buggy disaster? The truth lies somewhere in the middle. Nebula is real, not a scam, and its content is genuinely valuable for fans of the creators involved. The ad-free experience and exclusive videos are great perks. However, the app is undeniably buggy in 2026. Expect occasional crashes, inconsistent downloads, slow loading sections, and unreliable casting. If you're patient and mainly want creator content, Nebula can still be worth it. If you need a flawless, stable streaming experience, this app may frustrate you. Recommended only if you care about the creators featured, not if you want a polished, Netflix-level app. If this breakdown helped you decide whether the Nebula app is worth trying or avoiding, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We review apps, tech, and digital tools every week, so you always know what's real and what's just hype.